So behind me, our guys are working on decking. They're tearing out all the felt. They found that there were 3 layers of extra felt. A common theme that we run into with a lot of other roofing companies is they don't tear it down completely. You don't technically need to. We like to do it due to the fact that it allows us to see the entire deck, allows us to see if there's any extensive water damage that's reached the deck, and it's what the manufacturer wants for the roof. Our company, we work as firefighters and we also do roofing, so we prefer to do the job correctly because there have been times where we go on the roof, have to cut holes in that roof for either fire or for ventilation purposes, and if the roof's not done correctly, it hinders our ability to do our job correctly. And so when we go to install the roof, we have that same mindset with whatever house. We like to make sure that we get down to the decking, make sure there's no extensive water damage or any other damage that wouldn't have been seen if we didn't do a thorough job. So this is a standard roofing job that we came. Client complained of water damage and hail damage. When we came out here, we dealt with their insurance, we got everything done. We didn't know that the felt was gonna have the extra 3 layers on it. The insurance only quoted us for 1, but it's something that we feel is near and dear to us and want to make sure the job is done correctly, that we remove it and we do it all at our own cost, because we feel that doing the job correctly is more important than getting the quick buck. Due to the fact that we noticed there was extra felt, we brought what we call the catch-all out. And so with all that felt and with how old that felt is, when we remove it, it breaks up into a bunch of the little pieces that if you have flower beds or anything else important, we're able to cover it and protect it. When all our roofing is done, we're able to clean up and make the house back to normal. So if you're concerned about leaks or a recent hail storm hit your area, call us out. We'll gladly go onto your roof, do a free inspection, and give you the honest truth about whether you need just either a simple patch or if you need your full roof replaced. And if that's the case, we'll be with you every step of the way, making sure that the job's done correctly and that it's done in a timely manner and that it's done right the first time.